Today we're diving into the stunning Cypress 5 ARGB, a black mid-tower computer case that combines genuine oak wood with high-performance features. This case is not just about aesthetics, it comes pre-installed with four 120mm ARGB fans, ensuring optimal airflow and synchronized lighting effects, thanks to the included ARGB controller and fan splitter cable. The front panel boasts a grill air intake and a 1.5mm mesh design, promoting efficient cooling and reducing wind noise, while the tempered glass side panel allows you to showcase your hardware with style. With a maximum CPU cooler height of 160mm and GPU compatibility of up to 345mm with front fan installation, this case offers flexibility for your build. Connectivity is a breeze with a Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 port, two USB 3.0 ports, and audio jacks, all complemented by a power switch with start and restart functions. The ARGB fan control button lets you customize your lighting to match your personal style, making this case not only a functional powerhouse but also a visual masterpiece. Whether you're a gamer or a PC enthusiast, the Cypress 5 ARGB is designed to seamlessly integrate into your setup while delivering top-notch performance.